a new gas trimmer from VEVOR. This is a 6-in-1. Right now we got the string head on here. We also do get a duffel bag where we do have our extensions. We have a Hedge trimmer. And we even have a chainsaw, which I need to put together and do a demonstration of this as well. You do get a face shield. You do get different blades. You got a user manual, hearing protection glasses, a chain, a strap, extra line. You get pretty much everything you need in here. It does come with a measuring container, so you can do your fuel mixture. This one uses a 40-to-1, so you're going to need the 2-cycle oil with this one. Now, I'm not going to use this just because I like to mix mine by the gallon. And you should always use premium whenever you're mixing. Now, right now I have the string head on here. It did come with a triple blade, which I love these type of blades, which is what I'm going to switch to after I do my quick demonstration with that. And we do get the circular saw blade, but I don't use these. These are a little dangerous if you're not careful with them. Go ahead and let it warm up for just a minute. Now let me put the mulching blade on here and show you what I actually want to use this for. All right, to swap these out, there's a little hole right here. That's going to hold it. Just spin that and that's going to come right off. Oops, we want that. It'd actually be a little easier if we just take this attachment off. Make sure you place that on there. This is threaded backwards, and then we just need to tighten this on. And then these attachments just pop right in. Now when you're using these kind of blades, it is recommended that you use a face shield. So these blackberry vines are my mortal enemy. Some of these vines are super thick too. All right, let's try this hedge trimmer. Also, this hedge trimmer does adjust. So if you pull this trigger here, you can change the angle of it. Oh, maybe not right here. There's hornets. Yellow jackets. We're gonna move from this area. I see them. I don't know if the camera's picking them up. There's yellow jackets flying around everywhere right here. All over the place. This one will definitely be better for hedges. And then we have our chainsaw attachment, and we're going to need to put some bar and chain oil in here. But I also love is that I've been able to start this first time every time. First time every time. Shit. And I would wear the face shield with this one too. Now this is definitely awesome. I'm not going to be using the chainsaw very often on this one because I use regular chainsaws quite often, but I'm definitely going to be using that hedge trimmer. I'm going to use that regular trimmer, and this is going to work awesome for clearing a lot of those vines without having to worry about batteries to charge. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.